Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 20th, 2021. You guys can already tell on this price chart, we're going to give you all a price prediction for Plug Power. You guys can see we already did a price prediction previously on this platform. We're going to update you all on how that fared against our prediction. And then we're going to talk about where we're expecting the price to go into the future. As you all can see, our price chart is not confusing. We don't use those indicators on our price chart. We don't use anything of that nature because it only causes confusion on when to pull the trigger, on when to get into the market and when to get out. All right, so if you all appreciate it, hit that like button, share, subscribe, come back again and again and again, because we will always give you all our expectations as to where we expect the price to be so that we can always profit and win in the market. So let's break this down real quick. You guys can see right here, we initially did this price prediction all the way back on March the 25th, 2021. We did an update video in the market in Plug Power right there on April the 5th. Still expecting the market to give us weakness, right? It was confirmed by the trap that our restriction area right here, which is around $37.40, it was still intact. It still rejected the market from actually breaking high in price. Now, if we would have gotten strength right there above or around $37, $38, then our prediction would have been wrong, because he would have confirmed that he is willing to increase the price in Plug Power, but that didn't happen. Instead, it found rejection there, and the market since then has been going down. So pretty good to see that actually play out in Plug Power. We actually got our area of TP, ultimate TP area, right there on the 13th of April of about 15.75% profitability. If we were to get out right now on the close of yesterday, we'll be up 26%. Okay. So now that is done. That is over. Obviously, you guys can see that we are in a downtrend in the market in Plug Power. Okay. That is still in play. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust this downtrend line real quick. And at some point, the market in Plug Power is not going to continually go lower and lower in price. So we really need to make a determination as to where that support area is going to be in Plug Power. Okay. So on this video, we're going to try to make that determination as to where we can see the trap come in and prop up the price. Visually, I can already see a shallow area of support right around this vicinity. So we're not even that far from where the market in Plug Power came and closed there, or even back here towards $22.25. Okay. Now, that's not a guarantee, because we've been in this downtrend since February. Here we are in April, almost going into May, and this particular stock continued to drop in price. It's going to take a lot of volume to stop this market from dropping in price. Until we see that, you know what to expect, right? So here it is on the 3-day time frame in the market in Plug Power. Still seeing that weakness, and the weakness will be ever present until we see this market break price above $28 or even $29.25. Okay. Now, a lot of volume did come in on that last completed 3-day price bar. Plus, the market didn't close on the low. So we have buyers here. That literally tells us that buyers are coming into the market in Plug Power right down here towards $24 and $25. Right? Just like we did here back here in November, December 2020. 5-day time frame, different story. We're closing towards the low of the bar. The volume has been decent. You guys can see that we haven't seen any outlandish volume bars come into the market in Plug Power over the last 20 days. So it's been pretty decent. Nothing out the norm is really going on into the market in Plug Power. Just simply no one wants to purchase this stock. More people are selling their Plug Power than they are buying at the moment. Okay, let's look at this on a weekly time frame. And again here, the market in Plug Power is not really giving us a lot of indication of strength yet. First things first, looking at the volume. What happened last week? We've seen a lot more volume appear into the market than what we've seen the last 3 weeks. And plus, take a look at where it's occurring at, to where the market in Plug Power came and held that support. So either people are trying to offset their losses by getting out early, at least at a minimal profit, or people are trying to purchase more of this particular stock at these prices. 3 weeks time frame is definitely still showing weakness here though. Okay, still seeing a lot of weakness coming into the market in Plug Power. Monthly time frame, we have 10 days and 9 hours left. Now, if this was the conclusion of the month of April, then yeah, I would say that the market is still giving us a lot of weakness and still to expect this stock to go lower in price right there. Okay, so I still think the market is weak in Plug Power. 10 days, 9 hours left on this one too. Yeah, this one is still giving us weakness here as well. So I mean, the next 10 days and 9 hours, if the market looks exactly how it looks right now, then the market in Plug Power is still giving us a lot of weakness, and the expectation will be for the market to go lower in price. Okay, now right now I'm not expecting it to go too low. Maybe around like $20 or so. Back down here towards 16 in the long term. Okay, now when I say long term, I'm talking about monthly time frame, 2 months, 3 months out. All right, so let's do this real quick. Still want to play the short into the market in Plug Power. Now, I really won't become bullish until this market in Plug Power breaks. What was that? $29 to the upside. Okay. Now we can still see the market in Plug Power come down towards $20. Now I would TP some off the market though, under the premise that it can hold support around $22.30 or so. So that would give us about 11.6% profitability in that movement lower. Okay, 11% there. Now I'm going to lower it down here towards $20.25, which is still like another 20% market movement to the downside. Okay, so this is it. Even if we were to break this downtrend line to the upside, so long as we do not break above $30, that weakness is still present and the market is going to continue to drop in price. Okay, so keep your eyes open on that $30 area. If the trap is able to break that to the upside, then we now know that the market has found support and has found where it's going to prop itself up at, and you would start to expect some sideways trading and then eventually higher price. All right, now we don't. You guys can already tell that we're expecting the market weakness to come through. We're still seeing that on the chart, and no strength actually is being present right now. Okay, so now that is it. That is our updated price prediction in the market in Plug Power. I want you all to drop a comment in the comment section of this video and tell me, where do you all think the market in Plug Power is going to go over the next 3 weeks? All right, so drop the comment in the comment section. Let me know, what do you see on the price chart, and where are you getting in position so that you can win in this space? And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.